Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a subscriber request, bourbon chicken. Let me show you how I make mine. Alright guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. Here I have some chicken thighs, boneless, already washed. I'll be using chicken broth, some garlic and ginger, some onions, bourbon. If you don't want to use alcohol, you could use some apple juice. I also have some rice vinegar, some soy sauce, brown sugar, cornstarch, some mushroom seasoning, and black pepper. So to season our chicken, we are going to do this very simple: garlic and onion powder, chili powder, some chicken bouillon, and some seasoned salt. So you want to add those to the chicken and just marinate them for about an hour or two. Now you want to keep this super simple because the sauce is really the star of this dish. Now to my preheated skillet, I've added some oil and we will go in and sear the chicken on both sides. I like to cook my chicken all the way through, but you don't have to cook it through. You can just sear it and continue cooking it in the sauce. But for me, I like to cook mine all the way through when I sear them. So as you can see, I cooked them for about 4 to 5 minutes on both sides and they were cooked all the way through. Once I was done, I removed them, set that aside, and I carry on with the same process until I was done with all my chicken thighs. So here I decided to switch pots so that my chicken won't fall out of the skillet. So I added the same oil that was in the skillet along with some sesame oil, and then I went in with my aromatics, give them a good stir, and allow to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next up, we will add our bourbon here. You always want to cook away the harsh taste in the alcohol before adding the rest of the ingredients. So that's what I did. Add the bourbon first, allow that to go for about a minute or so, and then I started adding my chicken broth, my soy sauce, you know, the vinegar, and all that other good stuff. And once you add all those ingredients, you want to allow everything to come up to a simmer before you add your cornstarch. And you will see me adding some mushroom seasoning to add that umami flavor to the dish. But if you don't have mushroom seasoning, you can simply add some oyster sauce. Or if you don't have a problem with MSG, you can add some of that as well. Like I said, you want to add your cornstarch when this all comes up to a simmer and allow it to thicken. Once it thickens, we will add our chicken back into the pot. Give it a real good toss, and that's basically it, guys. Remember, my chicken is fully cooked. So all I have to do here is toss the chicken in this sauce. But if your chicken is not fully cooked, you might want to allow it to go in the sauce for about 5 minutes or so it can continue cooking. And this is it, guys, my version of the most delicious bourbon chicken. What I did was garnish with some sesame seeds, and I served this up. I did enjoy mine with some plain steamed jasmine rice and stir-fried vegetables, and let me tell you, it was so good. You will not regret trying this recipe. Give it a try for me and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.